everyone and welcome to Sandpaper Academy's YouTube channel. So moi holo apnalokor Ashmita ba aru aji Sandpaper Academy loi ahise eta very important announcement. Sandpaper Academy aji 7 months par hoise, and in this 7 months we are so delighted to tell that we have managed to hold faith of over 300 students, both long term and short term course milai. So it has been an amazing journey and it has been both heartening hoy amar kane etu as a new establishment apnaloke amar upor iman faith dise, and our results were amazing and it has been a very great experience till the 7 months. So last 7 months jeti ami start korisilo in July, we started with Arjun 15. We started with Arjun 15 because we wanted to start off with a scholarship batch. Aru ami janisilo ami notun hoy, so we are someone jak apnaloke notunke nijor faith to establish korise. And again we are so happy to tell je Arjun 15 is almost finished. Teolukor ei January teolukor almost the whole syllabus is complete. In Sandpaper, by complete syllabus we mean current affairs, we mean your static classes, we mean tests, and also we mean the most important thing, that is live answer writing. Junto itia July batch amar logot kori ase, July junto amar Arjun 15 batch asile, they are doing it with us because they are almost on the verge of finishing and they will appear this year. So ami nijor army complete arsenal di prepare korso. Also in the 7 months ami over 1000 inquiries paisu for having coaching with us. But again, as a new entrepreneur, isuman cost benefit analysis moi koribo lage. We are not having investors, we are completely bootstrapped. Nijor gute assets has gone into Sandpaper, hence I call myself the mother of Sandpaper. But in this whole inquiry scenario, we understood that there is a category of meritorious students jak amar guidance or help okay, who need our mentorship, who need our guidance, who are exceptionally meritorious, but the only problem is the fee. But again, on the other hand, like us, ami Okhomia entrepreneur, notun entrepreneur, amar cost benefit analysis ase, we also are fixed in a fee. In the time and again, we know what we can do. We know what we can try to have for those students who are meritorious but having a problem with their fee. So what we have planned for Sandpaper je itia prelims ulaboi, notification ulaboi. Moi bare video koi thaku, don't go into rumors, APSC prelims or notification ulabo. Maybe there are some factors which is delaying it, but within a month or two ulaboi, that's sure. So ebar APSC 1 APSC year, mane this time of prelims pa next time of prelims holoke we have a golden time juntot ami apnalokok 1 year complete grooming koribo paro with no dora dori, and you will be completely ready to face all the challenges that APSC will bring. Hence, for 1 APSC year, this time what I have brought to you, we only make it once a year. Okay, joa bosor hoy gol, ebar we are doing it right now. Sandpaper Academy is very glad to announce the first and the only scholarship batch for the year 2025 by the name Arjun 50. So Arjun 50 bole jeti amar kolu, apnaloke sake more or less gome paise je Arjun boli kya koiso, because the people who are going to get included in this batch need to be as sharp, as focused, and as talented as was our warrior Arjun. Aru Arjun 15 batch jehetu ami teolukok biday dibolei hoise, ek maman aru olop ase aru mure classes baki ase, I am doing quality, so only my part is almost about to get over. So we are ready for Arjun 50. This time we know that we will get more than 50 students, but we only have the space to take 50 students under Arjun 50. Arjun 50 is the scholarship batch for Sandpaper Academy for Civil Services. You know how we operate, you know how we are, you know what is the quality of our teaching, you know what features we have, you know who we are, you know who I am. So if you are willing to be a part of Sandpaper Academy for Civil Services Arjun 50 batch, তেতিয়াহলে মই comment section ত registration open rakhisu. There is a Google link. Just click on that and you will be registered for the test. But like I said, you know how we operate. Our scholarship batch মানে scholarship test hobo. But tar agote moi scholarship or endot apnaluke what features will you get, I'll tell. So joabar we gave 50% off, okay, because hetu ami parisilu. So joabar we gave 50% off, and this time as we are brand strong, we have announced slash down of foundation prices with more than 60%. Tar mane junto ama originally price of 53,300 hoy, that will be only slashed down to 18,000. 18,000 for one whole year. Taku with the quality of Sandpaper Academy. So jodi apunaluke you will be qualifying the scholarship test for Sandpaper Academy. We are keeping the price at 18,000. Mami saisilu tatke kom jabo pari niki, but nuari. Like I said, we are completely bootstrapped, investor naikia. Moyu apnalokor logote grow kori asu, hiki asu how to be an entrepreneur. Ki paru ki nuaru. Etu hoy something junto ami paru. The 18,000 is the price that we are keeping for foundation course, but only if you qualify the scholarship test of Sandpaper Academy. Also, it is jobosor nasile because ami para nasilu, like I said, that we are allowing free coaching. We are having free coaching for the top 3 candidates who are going to top the Sandpaper Academy's scholarship test. Not an easy task. Ask our students from test series, we are not easy at all. Because amar junto agenda hoy, je apunaloke jodi pahar 90-degree angle uthibo hiki jay, tetia hole 45-degree angle pahar apni nije uthi jab. Jodi you know to fight the fiercest warriors, then ejon dujon soldier ok apni nije fight koribo paribo. Even in live answer writing, I tell my students ki iman tough question APSC bhi nahi puchega. Kintu moi hudisu. Because I want you to be prepared till that level, so that when time comes, you are able to be prepared for anything that comes in. So the scholarship going test is not going to be easy. Wo main disclaimer agote de disu. But the one who is going to top the test, the first 3, first, second and third, are going to get free coaching, free APSC coaching for the next year's APSC from us. And baki jun 50 who have qualified the scholarship test will be able to complete the whole coaching for 1 year at only ₹80. And like I said, this is only something that we do once a year, and this is the time because ami ebosor paijam 1 APSC year I'll get to train you to hone your talent, and Sandpaper jeneke koi, we will polish you till you shine. So ajir pora I am announcing the registrations for Arjun 50 Open. Test hobo on 18th March. 18th March at hobo test, and both online and offline mode of test and online and offline mode of classes will be available. Ami ratipa 7:30 ba classes koru because we particularly feel je morning junto apnalokor mindset thake to evening oloke you get tired. So offline and online duitai mode ta classes thakibo. Offline and online mode duitate apnaloke test to appear koribo paribo scholarship or. So the test will be on 18 March. The classes will be from 25th March, and the registration stands open now. Jodi apnalokor kiba problem hoy, then you can always give a call or a text to the number given below, and we will try to maximum jiman duroloke jai jabo. Because anyone who you know who needs this scholarship, apni jane ki teo meritorious, he deserves it, she deserves it. I appeal to you, apnaloke ei scholarship batch to kotha teoluko ko janabo. Apnaloke nije appear koribo bisarile nije appear koribo. And I am telling you this from the core of my heart, je moi bare bare ko, you give me 100%, I'll give you 200%. Because my students in Sandpaper are my gold coins. And the purpose of Sandpaper is to make the gold coin shine even brighter. And always I keep telling, today or tomorrow, you will need a mentor. then why not today? So enroll yourself for Arjun 50. It is the only batch that we are starting for the whole year, and there will be no scholarship batches for the whole year. Like last year we had one scholarship batch, this year we are having another scholarship. And I don't think you should miss this opportunity, and we'll be very glad for you to be a part of us. Thank you, good night, and I hope you register as soon as possible. Thank you.